Hello traders, you're welcome once again to our YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how you can get a very affordable VPS that you can use for your EA or your trading robot. Before we continue with the video, you can see this chart analysis on GBP on a USD JPY. If, by the way, if you're not in our Telegram channel, try to do so. The link to that Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. I actually have posted this signal, and we are looking that price should actually come to this demand zone, and we are looking that price will come here. We are patient. We are hoping that price comes here and now would buy from here. So we are still patient. I posted this signal. We are patient. You have to be patient as a forex trader. You have to be patient to wait for the best setups. It could take days, but when it finally happens, when price actually comes to this zone, it will be worth it. We'll be looking for some form of entry confirmations, and we'll be taking a buy trade from here. We're taking a buy trade from here. So this is a very lovely area I'm looking at getting into USD JPY. So until that setup, until the trade, our price comes to that to this demand zone, would be waiting for price to come to the demand zone, and we'll be looking for some form of entry confirmations at the zone. So let's go to the video of today. If you are new to this channel, I want to welcome you so much, and you are much appreciated, and I want to assure you that you're not going to regret being a member of this community, because we'll be releasing new and fresh content, educational content that will really help you to improve and to become a profitable forex trader. All right, so in my previous videos, I've made 2 previous videos on forex robots, and I actually made the first video that talks about how to develop your trading robot, with zero coding. Okay. Second one, I did a video also on how to install a robot that you bought, or a one that have been developed for you, or the one that you develop yourself, into your MT4 or MT5 account. Okay, so I've linked those 2 videos in the description box of this video. Okay, I'm going to link those 2 videos. So, and I promised making another video, and that video is the one right now you are viewing, and that is on a very cheap VPS, very cheap and affordable VPS that you can actually use to host your trading account, and also to run your EA. When we say EA, we mean expert advisor, or your trading robot. Okay, a robot is a piece of software. Trading robot is a piece of software that can actually trade for you automatically. You install this software on your trading account, MT4, MT5, and it will trade your account profitably and automatically without you having to do anything. Even while you are sleeping, your robot is trading for you. Okay, it's a piece of software that can actually trade for you. And I said that for this account to be running, for your EA or your trading robot to be running 247, both in the night, 247, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year, you need to use a VPS. VPS actually means visual private server. Okay, it's a visual private server. Actually, we can actually call it a remote computer, just like a remote is a remote computer that actually holds, that is a remote visual computer. Okay, so say VPS is a remote visual computer, which is your visual private server, whereby you install your MT4 or MT5 and your trading robot or expert advisor. Okay, So it's a remote computer whereby you install your MT4 and your expert advisor, and your robot continues will be all the computer is always powered. It's always powered with 247 electricity and internet. So it helps you it solves the problem of having to keep your computer running all the time with internet and also with power. All right, so you actually rent a computer to host your trading account, and there are companies that provide the VPS services. There are companies that provide these services to you. You just rent their visual computer. You rent their visual computer to install your software, your MT4 app, and also your trading robot and EA. All right. So, and in a previous video, I told you that I gave you an option of buying an a VPS of $15 from MQL5. Okay, from MQL5. I showed you that you can actually buy a VPS service for $15 per month. For $15 per month, all right, from MQL5. But what if I tell you that there is a very cheaper or more affordable, VPS services that you can actually use to that is cheaper than this? Is actually cheaper. It's cheaper than this. Okay, I want to show you a very cheaper VPS services that I use and I want to recommend to you. Is reliable too, and it is cheaper. It is cheaper than this. It goes for about $9. Okay, it goes for about $9 per month. Okay, $9 per month, and it is reliable too. It's also reliable. So that is the purpose of this video. All right, so what is the name of this VPS service? What's the name of this VPS service? So that is what I want to show you right now. I want to show you this VPS service, and the VPS service is actually called pivps.com. Okay, so you go to this website called pivps.com. pivps.com. So when you come to this website, this is the landing page. This is the home page of this website. So when you come to the home page, of this website, you will see that the company also provides Windows VPS. They provide Windows VPS for other non-forex application. All right, you want to have a visual computer for other non-forex application. But what we are interested in is the Forex VPS. Here, this is the home page here, the Forex VPS. So that is what we want. So you click on Forex VPS. Let us click on this Forex VPS. So you see the services. So we have clicked on the Forex VPS. So this is Windows. You see, this is Windows Forex VPS. Windows Forex. We are interested in Forex VPS. So it says here, ship Forex VPS you must have to be a successful Forex trader. So what are the features? What does this VPS come with? It comes with Windows Forex VPS Online. You can see they say 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. So our Windows Forex VPS Online always available to remote, 99.9, almost 100% available, and it has low latency. All right. So instant delivery. It says instant delivery. What does instant delivery means? It means that once you pay for this service, you'll be given access to your visual computer, for which you can start installing. You can also install. You can trade it with your MT4 or MT5. All right. So these are the services of this company this company provides for you to run your VPS. So what are the pricing? You can see, just as I told you, you have $9.95. You have also almost $20, $19.99. You have also almost $40. These are different packages, but this is the basic one. The basic one is the almost $10, which is $9.95 dollars. So you can see the various features various features: 1.5 gig RAM, 25 gig SSD, disk space. It can actually host 1 to 2 MT4 instances with good performance. Okay, you can actually see this is the network connection, this is the Windows server. Okay, yeah, and also it comes instant delivery. So if you want to buy, just click here, buy. Okay, this is what I'm recording. This is you can start with this $9.95 package. Start with it and see how it works. Then if you have a higher space and needs, you can upgrade to other versions, to or rather other packages. But this you can upgrade to any of these, but this should do for you for a start. You can just check it out and see how it works. All right, so this is it. Actually, this is another package, but for a start, this what I actually use is this one, the $9.95 monthly charge. So it's good. You can try it and see how it works. Okay, so there are several questions here. There also one thing I love about this company is that they have good customer service. They can respond to you. If you want to contact the customer service, all you just need to do is to come to contact us. You click on contact us. You see their contact center, the contact email address and the contact details. Their contact details, you can contact the customer service. Okay, let us go. Also, you can see they are asking you. There are some Q and A right here. There's some Q&A right here. So that you can say how many MT4 can I run on the Forex. This is the one that costs $9.95. So let us see. As we tested, you can run the 2 to 3 MT4 smoothly in one Forex VPS. You see, you can have 2 to 3 MT4. You can run it smoothly. Okay, that is for that. For this one, can I run my MT4 24 hours in a day when my PC or laptop is off? Yes, of course. Forex VPS is kept running even when you turn off your local PC. Your MT4 run 247. All right. So whether or not your computer is on, this VPS will help you to keep your trades running, and very suitable for EA or trading robots. So it's now asking another question. He say, is a MetaTrader installed in VPS by default? No, you have to install when you purchase the MetaTrader. When you purchase the VPS, you have to install MetaTrader. All right, you have to install the MetaTrader. It comes with a clean operating system, so you just have to install the MetaTrader on the VPS, then install the EA and the trading robot. If you have any problem, they say here that you can contact their staff by email. You can contact their staff. That's why I say they have good customer service. All right. So I say I want a bigger plan. What should I do? Yes, you can order a dedicated server. So if you want to upgrade, you can actually upgrade. It is available. Another question here. Do Windows Forex support remote desktop connection? Yes, of course. It supports remote desktop connection. All Forex VPS enable remote desktop connection by default. All right. This is a lovely VPS service. So they have also several. They have several pricing. These are several pricing. They have several pricing right here. So look at the several pricing. They have several pricing. You can use PayPal. You can use Skrill. You can use web money. You can use altcoin. You can use your debit card or your prepaid card. You can use Perfect Money. You can use your Bitcoin non-refund. You can use Payer. Different payment gateways. They have different payment gateways that you can actually use for you to be able to to make a purchase of this VPS. It is lovely. And so I'm recommending it to you. All right. So, but you need to know something. If you want to have this VPS if you actually want to have this VPS at a very lovely price, and you want to have it with full confidence, I would like you to please use my referral link. If you go to the description box, you can see my referral link. You can do me a favor. Use my referral link to purchase a package, and you will not really regret it. You will not regret it. My referral link for this is on the description box of this video. This is a VPN that I use. So for me to have brought it to you, it shows that I have some level of confidence on it, not because I'm referring it to you, but I have some level of confidence in it for something that I've particularly used and it's affordable. So click on my description box of this video. You're going to see my referral link to purchase a package of this VPS. So when you do that, I'm going to appreciate. It's going to be good that you use my referral link, and I want to thank you in anticipation that you use my referral link to purchase this VPS. So till I come your way next, I want to thank you so much for viewing this video. And if you're yet to join our Telegram channel, please consider joining our Telegram channel, because in our Telegram channel I share useful chart analysis almost every day so that you can trade at your own discretion. And if you're interested in my one-on-one mentorship, several persons have signed up to my one-on-one mentorship, and I don't do collective training. I do one-on-one mentorship because I believe that different individuals have their various individual learning curves. So I stoop down to your level and ensure that you learn this forex trading and become profitable for it. I take you by the hand until you become a profitable forex trader. All right. So if you want to contact me, my contact detail is in the Telegram channel, and the link to the Telegram channel is in the description box of this video. So thank you so much for viewing this video, and do have a wonderful and a lovely day.